Hey Gadgeteers, it's Julie, and I am back with another unboxing, and today it is for the OnePlus Open. It is their first folding phone. It's an Android smartphone, and I am beyond excited. Sorry this is zoomed in so far. I am filming this through a shot box just because it's just easier to do because it has built-in lights and everything. So it'll look better here in a second once I open the box. But if you follow my podcast, you will know that I purchased a Google Pixel Fold after being exclusively on an iPhone for the past 3 years. I just felt like I wanted to try Android again, so I bought the Google Pixel Fold. I like it, but I wasn't in love with it. I ended up switching back to the iPhone just about 2 weeks ago or so, and the whole time I switched back, I like both. I like both platforms, but the whole time I've switched back, I've been, kind of jonesing to go back to Android. Once you're on something for a couple months, you get used to it, and that's what you like, and that's kind of where I am at this moment. So I'm kind of in that ambiguous phase between both platforms, and I'm fine with that. But today, let's take a first look at OnePlus Open. Now, I haven't opened this box. It came today, and I am now going to cut the... Did I do that? Yeah, I'm going to cut this open, and we're going to take a look. Let's open this up, and let's take out the phone here. Let me set that aside for a second. You can already see what the back's going to look like. Let's see what else comes in here. You got this big charger. Interesting that it uses a USB-A to USB-C cable here. It's big, but it's fast. So let's set that aside, and let's pull this out and move this box away. So in here, let's open this, see what comes in here. Nice. That's one thing I like about OnePlus, is that they give you a case for your phone, so you don't have to worry about scratching it up right away. So we're actually going to have two parts to this, of course. You've got two halves. So you have that. You have a case right there. And then we have USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It's got a thick rubber silicone, I don't know what it is, covering. Not a braided cable, but that's fine. And in here we have lots of different... Never settle, okay? Find more benefits. Sure. Membership card. Okay. It's interesting. Got quick guides, safety guides. Got some stickers, yay, and a good old SIM card removal tool. Okay, so now what we really want to see, though, of course, is the phone. And here we go with the phone. So let's open it up, get that plastic off of there. Ooh. Alright, right away, I am loving this. Let me show you what this looks like up close and personal. Look at that. It is a pebbly leather-like texture that looks and feels awesome. Now, I love that. Love, love, love it. That's why I like putting a D brand skin on the back of this phone. It gives it some extra class, and this is super cool. Love that. It's got the OnePlus logo in there, you can see shining. That look neat. It's got that giant camera bump, flash. It's got some curved edges. Let me set it down here. And that nice display. Let's compare it quickly to, let me wipe off the screen, this thing looks terrible, of my Pixel Fold. See, that's one thing. I got used to it, but this squatty form factor compared to like a typical form factor. This isn't the Samsung Galaxy skinny phone with their folding phone, and it's not the squatty wider display of a Pixel Fold. No, this looks like a regular size smartphone, only you've got two halves. Let's turn it over, and here we go. That is a nice size. How about we compare the size? Can I get that and my Google Pixel Fold together here? There we go. There's two different. There they are compared. Sorry for the light glare. It's off my shot box, but you get an idea. Look how much more screen real estate we get there. And let's compare them like this. I guess you get, this is the Pixel Fold and this is the OnePlus, so you do, it is wider, the Pixel Fold. What do we have here now? Let's close this guy up. See how that is? Ooh, that has a nice, listen to it, guys. You hear that? Let's do it again. Ready? Listen to this. Hopefully it'll come through on the video. If it doesn't come through, I'm going to put it up here next to my microphone. That is superb. I like these flat sides. That's nice. What we have here is a mute switch. Yay. And we have what looks like a volume rocker and probably the power switch. And then on the bottom edge, if I can get the light to show through, there we go. We have the USB-C port, we've got the SIM card tray, we've got a microphone, looks like we got speakers. Here's the hinge. Look at that. There we go, look at that. Looks pretty cool. I like the flat, brushed edges. We go to the top here. We have two microphones and two speakers. And then we have that ginormous Hasselblad camera bump there. Can't wait to see what it's like to take pictures with this thing. In hand, it feels like my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's that width. Let's compare it to this guy. This guy is a, with the cat hair, this guy's a handful. See how my hand wrapped around this one. Now let's wrap around this one. I don't know if you could tell, but it does feel comfier. Now this camera bump is pretty substantial. That will be interesting to see what that's going to be like. But boy, do I love the back texture. That super duper gives it such a great feel and grip. It makes me not even want to put the case on it. opening it. It feels super smooth, and it has a very satisfying feel when you open it, and a kind of a clunk when you open it too. Let's check out the hinge here. Isn't that cool? Let's open it and see what happens here. Slow motion. Let me try that again. So let's close it. And let's open it. Let's see what this looks like. I'm already starting to get it all yucky with dust. Let's close this. And open it. So nice. Alright, that was the OnePlus Open unboxing. You know I'm going to be back with my thoughts on this very soon.